that was short video on what I was doing past time when I was disconnected with this group, our family members. And again here I am with two short tips which will help you save from confusion. So when you are confused with some project work or any kind of decision making, and you don't know what may come next, and you are confused, this will happen, that will happen, so at that time use the word act. Take only small first step and act upon it, and it will the way we flip the coin, and we choose heads and tails for two different sides. When you are in confusion, that time you flip the coin. So same way here, the act word will save you, and you just have to take only one step ahead, and that will not give you the results, it will not give you the thing, but while doing that you will get the clarity. It is not so hard, or whether it is easy, or whether this cannot be done by me, delegation, deletion, or whatever it is, you will get the clarity on the part when you start acting upon it. So initiate the first step, use the word act to save you from confusion of decision making. Small act will save you hell lot of time, because you all know confusion leads to procrastination, and then it leads to depression kind of thing. You are moving in behind the time where you should progress. And second word is when you are confused with relationship, it may be any kind of dealing with humans. um, at that time you have to use the word it is the kind of thing you have initiated the process with the person, kind of dealing or official or any kind of appointment or anything which you have initiated the process, and you are thinking about getting deep with that person, giving a project or giving. Okay, so you are thinking of getting moving ahead with that person, but somewhere you get some alert signal. You are disgusted with the person in the relationship of dealing, or personal or professional or business, anything at that time, and the person will try to persuade you to stick to them, because you are confused, because things are not happening according to you. At that time you are confused whether to move ahead or not, and samne wala will the person will try to create illusion in front of you. Boss, I am very good, sir, I am good, and I did not do the wrong thing, I am towards your side. They create illusions, and then you are confused. At that time you have to use the word fact. Stick to the facts, only stick to the facts. It is sometimes they create a lot of people around you, they change the environment, they bring their own people, and then they make you believe that what they are saying is true. But you have to stick to the facts, irrespective of whatever the environment is, irrespective of what the person is talking to you, what the person is trying to create the scenes after doing something which is against your expectations. So at that time we are confused, obviously, whether to go ahead with the person or not, any kind of dealings. At that time stick to the facts, whatever they have done. If it is in your favor, then you stick to the facts, and if it is not, then leave ahead. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon. Bye bye.